Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to extract all files from a zip archive. So first I'm going to import OS module and zip file module. Import OS and then import zip file. And then I will open a zip file in our function. I will define a function, define unzip file, and it will take a file name, path to zip archive, and I'm going to use zip file dot zip file and pass in the file name, and now I will get the path to the zip file. So it's going to be path by using os that path dot dir name, that will be directory name, and pass in our file name. And now I'm going to use our zip file object to extract the zip file. Z dot extract all and path is set to our path over here, and that's it. It's very simple. First we get the object of zip file, then we get the directory name from our file name, we got the complete path, and then we are calling our zip files function extract all and passing in the path of the archive. We can call this function unzip underscore file and then passing the path to our archive file. This will be for me home sm and demo.zip, and just save it. So when we run our program, this demo.zip file will be extracted. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.